Want to earn passive income on your Ethereum? Let's walk you through how to stake Ethereum using your Ledger Nano. Step 1. Make sure your Ledger Nano firmware and Ledger Live app are fully updated. This keeps everything secure and ensures you have the staking features. Step 2. Open Ledger Live and go to the Accounts tab and add an Ethereum account if you don't already have one. Step 3. Head to the Accounts and then press on your Ethereum account. Here, you'll see a staking feature. Press on it. Then choose your provider. You'll see staking providers like Lido, Kiln, or Figment. These are trusted partners that let you stake directly from your ledger. Then select your Ethereum account and enter the amount of Ethereum you want to stake. Remember, with services like Lido, you don't need the full 32 Ethereum. You can stake any amounts. Step 5. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano device. That signs it securely so your Ethereum never leaves your control. Once stacked, you'll start earning rewards with Lido. You'll even get SD Ethereum tokens back, which can be used in DeFi while still earning rewards. And that's it. Update, connect, choose a provider, confirm, and start earning passive income safely. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.